Did you know that poor sleep can age your brain as much as 5 years faster? Or that your DNA itself, through tiny caps called telomeres, shortens more quickly if you consistently get less than 6 hours of rest? Today, we'll uncover the hidden link between sleep and longevity, and how mastering your nightly rest might be the most powerful anti-aging tool you'll ever use. Welcome to Longevity Compass, where we share science-backed strategies for health, vitality, and aging well. If you're passionate about living longer and thriving while you do it, hit subscribe and join us. Why sleep equals longevity? Sleep isn't wasted time. It's when your body does its most important work. It repairs DNA, restores hormones, strengthens immunity, and detoxifies your brain. In fact, studies show that people who regularly sleep fewer than 6 hours per night have a 20% higher risk of early death than those who sleep 7 to 8 hours. The brainwash effect. Glymphatic system. At night, your brain activates the glymphatic system, a cleansing process that flushes out toxins like beta amyloid, the protein linked to Alzheimer's. Here's the kicker. This system is up to 60% more active during deep sleep compared to wakefulness. If you skip deep sleep, your brain literally misses its nightly wash cycle. Sleep and telomeres, the DNA connection. Your DNA is capped with protective ends called telomeres. Think of them as the plastic tips on shoelaces. When they shorten, aging accelerates. Research shows that chronic poor sleep leads to shorter telomeres, meaning faster biological aging. In contrast, consistent quality sleep helps preserve these vital caps, protecting your genetic health. Hormones at night. Melatonin, your natural sleep hormone, and also a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells. Growth hormone peaks during sleep, repairing tissues, maintaining muscle, and regulating metabolism. Cortisol ideally drops at night, allowing deep rest. Poor sleep keeps cortisol elevated, accelerating stress and aging. Chronotypes and sleep alignment. Some people are natural larks, morning types. Others are owls, evening types. Science shows that living against your chronotype, like forcing a night owl into a strict 5 a.m. schedule, increases stress and disease risk. Whenever possible, align your lifestyle with your natural rhythm for healthier, longer life. Sleep and the immune system. Sleep doesn't just heal the body, it trains your immune memory. For example, studies show that people who sleep poorly after vaccinations produce fewer antibodies, meaning sleep literally determines how well your body can fight off illness. Foods that support sleep. Magnesium-rich foods, pumpkin seeds, spinach, and dark chocolate help muscles relax. Tryptophan foods, turkey, oats, and dairy support serotonin and melatonin production. Herbal teas, chamomile and valerian root promote calmness before bed. Bonus tip: glycine, an amino acid found in collagen and bone broth, has been shown to improve sleep quality when taken before bed. Here's a good example. John is 55. John felt constant fatigue and brain fog. He wasn't sick, but he was sleeping only 5 hours a night due to late-night work. His sleep tracker showed fragmented rest. After introducing blue light blocking glasses, a magnesium supplement, and going to bed 45 minutes earlier, he extended his sleep to 7.5 hours. Within weeks, his energy, memory, and even mood improved dramatically. Habits for better sleep: consistent sleep and wake times. Morning sunlight, exposure to set circadian rhythm. Cool, dark bedroom, Lower body temp promotes deep sleep. Avoiding caffeine after 2 p.m. Bedtime ritual, herbal tea, journaling, or light reading. Here's a unique insight. Temperature and sleep. Here's something most people don't know. Lowering your body temperature by even 1 to 2 degrees triggers deeper sleep. Try a warm shower before bed. As your body cools afterward, it signals the brain to sleep. Another unique insight, light and longevity. Blue light at night suppresses melatonin. Red light exposure in the evening supports melatonin production and can enhance relaxation. Even a small change in light exposure can dramatically shift sleep quality. Blue zones and sleep culture. In Okinawa, Japan, one of the world's blue zones, elders emphasize going to bed early, rising with the sun, and practicing ikigai, or purpose-driven living. They see sleep not as downtime, but as an essential rhythm that fuels long, healthy lives. Shift work, a modern risk. Shift workers, like nurses, truck drivers, and night shift employees, face much higher rates of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease due to disrupted circadian rhythms. This highlights just how critical sleep timing is for long-term health. Let's talk about integrating all this information into our lives. Think of sleep as a nightly investment in longevity. Unlike supplements or treatments, it's free, yet it may be the most powerful anti-aging medicine you'll ever use. So, what's the hidden link between sleep and longevity? It's the way sleep repairs DNA, resets hormones, detoxifies your brain, and strengthens your immune system every single night. What's your biggest sleep challenge? Falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking refreshed? Share in the comments. Your story might help someone else. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Longevity Compass, and join us next time as we explore foods that supercharge brain health after 40. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.